If your iPhone 17 suddenly goes black and becomes unresponsive, here's how to fix it easily using ReiBoot without losing any data. First, download and install ReiBoot on your computer using the link in the description. Then, connect your iPhone 17 to your computer and put it into recovery mode. Next, open ReiBoot and click Start Repair. Choose Standard Repair, which can fix most iOS system issues without erasing your data. ReiBoot will automatically download the right firmware for your device, and once the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. After a few minutes, your iPhone will restart and return to normal.
Google search Tenorshare for more.